It's not every day that I'm shocked by a product, but this I am shocked by. It came like this. This thing isn't even fully connected. You can push it together and it locks, but the minute you pick it up, this thing comes undone 1,000 times. This wasn't even connected. The cord was all kinked up. So I thought to myself, I just wasted all my money. This is gonna do absolutely nothing, and I'm probably not gonna even bother returning it because it was rather inexpensive, but I gave it a try. Super easy. I stuck the hose into this as far as it would go. When it stopped, I stopped. It goes in a long way. Plugged this into a USB, still thinking, why am I even bothering? I plugged it in, turned it on, and made this really loud noise. Listen. And then I thought, it's doing nothing, but let me try. And here's the result. Can you believe this? This thing actually works. The thing I dislike about diamond art, the only thing I dislike about diamond art is the putty on the end.
Because the putty goes away, and then you've got to get new putty, and then you've got putty on the edges, and then you spend 10 minutes wiping the putty off the edge. And then after that, you've got to push more putty into it because you accidentally wipe too much putty off, and the putty's not sticking very good. And so then you're messing with putty, and you're spending more time messing with putty than you do
sticking the diamonds down. And this solves that. It's a decent grip size, but I think I would like to have a little cushiony grip here to make it a little more comfortable, but otherwise it's the same size, dimensions, everything as a pin. It didn't get in the way at all. This cord didn't even bother me, which was surprising. I didn't even notice it. Now you'll have to excuse this project that I'm using to demonstrate this with because there's hair all over it. I don't know how that happened. After I demonstrated the pin, I was like, no, I can't continue with this. I'm gonna have to throw this away and started a new one. But don't worry, because I have literally 50 in my closet. Let's not talk about that right now. So if you're wondering if this is worth it, if it actually works, it actually works. My mind is just as blown as yours is. It makes no sense, but it does. It actually works.